Hi, Bill McNulty with Capital One. For most of the banks behind the lab, the use of machine learning models is key to driving business performance. But how we develop these models is changing. First, there's tremendous growth in data both inside the enterprise and outside. And secondly, there's a proliferation of regulations governing the use and privacy of this data. That's where DataFleets comes in. They've developed a solution to help you maintain the privacy of data while enabling data scientists to gain insights and build models on that data. We and the other mentor banks have developed a number of interesting use cases with them, including how do we test and evaluate external data before we buy it? And how do we gain the benefit of analyzing data across LOBs and jurisdictions without moving the data? We've been super impressed with the team, and here to tell you more is the CEO and co-founder of DataFleets, David Gilmore. Thanks.
Hi, I'm David Gilmore, the CEO of DataFleets. We've heard stories about waiting 6, 12, and even 18 months to get access to a single dataset. You've shared with us that your financial and insurance data is restricted by hundreds of information barriers. I've worked with this sensitive enterprise data when I was the lead data scientist at Digital Reasoning, and I left Stanford a few years ago to solve exactly this problem: information barriers. At DataFleets, our vision is to create a world where 18 months of waiting can be now. And it's arrived. The revolution is in distributed computing, wherein we can ship analytics privately and securely to any database anywhere in the world and perform analytics without having to move or manipulate the underlying data. Current models for fraud detection, pricing, underwriting, and customer prediction are limited by information barriers. But with DataFleets, you can leverage all of your data across your data silos compliantly and privately without exposing sensitive information. You can combine, transform, and analyze data residing anywhere in the world, and we mean anywhere. You can accelerate your cloud migration journey by creating a single privacy-preserving, single semantic layer across AWS, GCP, Azure, Alibaba, and even on-premise environments like VMware in your data centers. You can even run analytics directly on your customer's iPhone and Android devices. And yes, it includes the full range of analytics capabilities that you would expect, including SQL for data analysis and machine learning using tools such as TensorFlow, Apache Spark, H2O, and scikit-learn. The FinTech Innovation Lab has given us the phenomenal opportunity to build out new, exciting use cases like fraud detection across multiple geographies and credit card analytics that accelerate working with third parties with alternative data sets. We'd love to share more with you about this revolution in enterprise AI and analytics. Your next step is to sign up for a demo at datafleets.com. Will you do that? I personally guarantee it will be worth your time. Once again, we're DataFleets, and we privately and securely unify all of your data for analytics. Thank you.